All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're at it again today in our DIY garage. Now, a client of mine called me and said he's having trouble starting his Yamaha FCR. And so if you have a FCR, Yamaha FCR just like this one here, I'll tell you what, we got the carbs out. That's what they look like. Remember, when you remove those carbs there, you must use the right fitting, the right Phillips. You don't want to strip these. If it's a thicker Phillip, grab a thicker Phillip head. Look how badly debacled that is there. And so make sure when you're removing it, be careful of these lines. Take your fuel tank off. We got our fuel tank set right there. Get yourself a fresh new battery. Don't waste time. If it's cranking, if it's not cranking, get a new battery. If it's not that, it's going to be your voltage regulator. And if it's not that, it's going to be this fuse. It's a 30 amp fuse right in here. All right, there's the secret. Mechanic tips.